Hi, they charge you.
Hey guys, so we just reached the Erawan Waterfall area and it looks huge actually, but one very interesting thing is, it's very well arranged. You don't expect the waterfall area, especially whichever waterfalls I have been to so far, to be, so arranged, well arranged. So the entire thing is so well maintained and everything is very systematic. So that way, even though it looks like jungle here, even if it looks like jungle, I think it's really systematic. I mean, there's no chance that you could get lost because look at the road condition, guys. It's so well laid that you don't have to worry about anything. So my guide accompanied me until the entrance, and because we just had one ticket, he went back. He'll be waiting for me in the car, and he has asked me to make the trip. So I'm walking towards the waterfall now. According to what I know, it's like 7 layers of waterfall, so we will be going to each and every layer and then hopefully we make it back on time. So super excited, and let's go. Also guys, what I have come to know is that you get to see, I think the first, second and the third waterfall is the best, but anyways, what you got to do is you got to first explore all the waterfall, get the pictures clicked, and then come back and you can always take bath. So that's an option for you. So guys, the first stage we are about to reach, and that's called Lai Kun Rang. So that's the waterfall, and I think that's right ahead of me. Wow, it's actually beautiful and it's very different. Wow, interesting. Have a look, guys. Wow, guys, it's amazing. This is just the first level and I'm already awestruck. You can see how beautiful the waterfall is. This is the first stage waterfall, guys. It's amazing, but before wasting much of time, I'll continue to the next level and let's see how that is. Correction, guys, so this is level 2. I can't wait to come and take a dip, but we'll be moving ahead any which ways, and then we'll come back in some time. So guys, that was level 3 for you. Right now we are on our way to level 4. I actually am feeling very hot and would like to finish the entire thing as soon as possible and then go take a dip. Can't wait. So yeah, super excited. One, two. Wow, guys, that climb was quite a climb. So it's actually not very difficult. It's just that certain places the climb is quite steep, so because of which it's like you struggle to breathe, but I guess that's just my stamina. Otherwise for people it would mean, otherwise for others I think it's nothing. But yeah, let's continue. We made it to the 4th level. We have 5th, 6th and 7th yet to go, but this is the 4th level. I still feel the 2nd and the 1st was amazing. I mean, they were the best ones. But yeah, this is also good. Have a look. Right over there. Tired, guys. I'm sweating like a pig. Whew. But then I think it's all worth it. So yeah, let's continue going, guys. Let's just continue. So guys, after level 5 for level 6, there's no clear path. It's like, it's all jungle. You just have to continue walking. There's a small, you know, like maybe a track, you can call it. I'm just following that blindly, and then they have got an arrow mark. They've got an arrow mark pointing towards that. So I'll just continue following that path for now. This is the way to level 6, guys. I'm not sure, guys. The path looks something like this. It reminds me of my Glove Lake days. Oh god. Let's just continue. Guys, I see stairs. Whew. So relieved. My goodness. Oh my god, guys, finally level 6. This waterfall is called as Dongkruksa, and here it is. So much of sweat, so much of energy gone into this. So now, guys, I mean, now is not the time to stop. It's finally another, probably, I don't know, 250 meter from here, and then we reach the 7th level. That's the final level, and I've heard it's the most beautiful one. So yeah, let's continue, guys. We can do it. Come on. Woohoo! Alright, guys, so that was level 7 for you. Wow, I mean, the climb was definitely, let's say, a little bit on the tougher side, but then again, I mean, it was definitely worth it. It was a beautiful view. There were quite a few people there, and yeah, I mean, now we'll be heading back to level 2 because that's the best spot I felt personally, and also I think we get the life jacket nearby on rent. So I'm gonna go get myself a life jacket and take a dip in the water. Can't wait. Let's go. So guys, one thing that you definitely have to keep in mind is if you plan to come to this place, you should definitely get yourself a pair of good walking shoes, because there are certain parts that's actually very slippery. I just fell here. Thankfully I didn't get hurt, but just to make sure that you're able to walk properly, just make sure that you have a good quality walking shoes. Mine is not that great. I just bought it for this purpose, but yeah, the quality is not that great. Hence, I've already slipped twice until now. Alright guys, let's just continue. Hey guys, so finally we are down. I've got myself this life jacket. I'll quickly go and grab something because I'm very hungry before we get into the water, and then just chill. By the way guys, there's also a welfare shop. I hope I get something to eat there because I'm starving. I mean, whatever lunch I've had in the elephant world, all digested. So there are only limited options here in the cafe. I don't know, it's a canteen kind of a setup. So I've ordered myself for some Pepsi and some French fries, waiting for the French fries. Once that's served, I'll have those and probably gain some energy back because right now I'm exhausted. And yeah, I don't know, I mean, they don't have a locker system, so if you have too many things on you, you'll just have to keep it with you. I mean, there's no other option. So yeah, I mean, I think the ideal thing to do is carry as less as possible before coming here. That makes sense. Otherwise, you'll have to keep worrying about your stuff. That's about it. Let's just wait for the food. Guys, just look at the bag I have. So it's kind of spoiling the experience. This is amazing. Look at the view. Woohoo! Oh my god, guys, look at this fish. My goodness. Hey guys, so we are done with today's program. I'm heading back now. I've had an amazing time today, be it the Elephant World or the Erawan Waterfalls. My goodness guys, I mean, this place has so much to offer and you should definitely try and come here. Well, that's it for today, and also I think that's it for Thailand because tomorrow night I have got my flight back to India. So I would take my leave here and I'll be seeing you guys again soon in my next vlog. Until then, you guys take care and bye-bye.